Say hi to everybody. Say hello. Say we haven't been here in a while, but we back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here in a minute. I've been on shorts, but I haven't been here in a minute. But we're back, and in honor of my return, I figured we would do a Valentine's theme, a try-on haul. Today's video is in partnership with Adore Me. I have done videos with them in the past. They have the cutest, not just lingerie, but like the lingerie is really cute, but loungewear, cozy, cute loungewear. This is high quality, so cute, highly underrated, my favorite. And since partnering with them last year and kind of being introduced to their brand, I have not worn a single bra that wasn't Adore Me. All my PJs that I wear to bed, Adore Me. All my bras and panty sets, Adore Me. I love them so much, so I'm excited to be partnering with them again. If you guys want to see a cozy, cute, and sexy Valentine's try-on haul, then keep on watching. Shooting on my phone, but I have the iPhone 14 and this is cinematic mode, so I feel like it's a little bit better than just like regular iPhone, but like you guys can tell me. So I figure we'll just do the sexy stuff first, because I have stuff that's like sexy if you have a boyfriend or a significant other. This is like Valentine's sexy sassy. But also, I mean, you don't have to be in a relationship to be sexy sassy, okay? I'm single AF. And I have a bunch of cozy sets that I think are also perfect for a Galentine's. So we've got a little bit of everything. So let's jump into it. I have this really cute semi-sheer black and pink set. This actually, I think, comes in white and pink also. These are like a full bloomer, but they're completely sheer, as you can see. And they come with this bra, and the bra is so pretty. The hearts are embroidered on it, and it has this scalloped lacy detail. I like this set a lot. I felt cute in these. Whether or not you like a white and pink or a black and pink, I think this set is really, really cute. Next up, we have a classic black, because, I mean, you can't go wrong with black, but it does have a little additional detail on it with this lace. It has it on the bra as well as the front of the panty, but they are fully lined, so they're not see-through at all. The panty that I got is a thong, but I think it comes in another style as well. This bra is a push-up and something that you could wear all the time, because the lace isn't so bumpy that you can't wear it under other clothes, which I love. So I'll be getting a ton of use out of this. And then I wanted to revisit one set from last year that is still available now, and it's my favorite of all of the bra and panty sets I think I've ever tried from Adore Me, and that is this floral set. This top, it's more like a balconette. It's got 5 clasps, so you know, he might need assistance, but look at I mean, the print is so gorgeous. It has this beautiful lace on the bottom. The panties are super cute. It has the little bow in the front. I just love this set, and like, I think this is so Valentine's Day. Like, I feel so sexy in this. Okay, so for lounge sets, I have this super cute satin set. It has the floral print kind of similar to this set, but it's a satin material. It has a little bit of a split in the front of the shorts, and it has a pink cami with lace detail on the front. I actually wore this recently in a video as a top. Like, I have tops that look just like this, so I feel like you could wear this out and nobody would even flinch. I did wear a bra under it though. The straps are adjustable, so that's really nice, and I think this is just so cute for Valentine's, for summer, for Galentine's party. Another set that I think is just simple loungewear. If you're single, you're sitting home, you're gonna be on the couch, or if you're with somebody, but you guys don't really do Valentine's Day, you're probably gonna just do like a movie cozy on the couch. This set I love for that. It has a touch of sassiness because the top is a crop, but it's so cozy because the bottoms are like sweatpants material. Very comfortable. I got it in this nude shade because I just don't have any loungewear in this tone, so I really just liked it a lot. Not very Valentine's themed colors, but I think it's perfect for just being cozy on the couch. Glass of wine, popcorn, a movie, you know? And then 2 sets from last year are still available that I wanted to let you guys know about. The first one is this Bloomers set. I love this. It has hearts on it. It's got ruffle details at the bottom. The tank top does have a built-in bra into it, and the straps are adjustable. And then my favorite set from last year was this thermal underwear kind of waffle knit set, and it also has hearts on it, which is just the cutest. If this isn't Valentine's, I don't know what is. I think this is perfect for that. And if it's warm where you are, like it is where I am, I'm in Florida, so this is a little bit too heavy for me. I would wear the bottoms with the top from the other set because these look really cute together as well. So that is it for today's try on haul. Let me know what you guys think. What set was your favorite? Are you more into like the sexy lingerie for Valentine's Day? Or are you more like a cozy loungewear person for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me now that I'm back on main YouTube. And thank you again to Adore Me for partnering with me on today's video. Partnerships make content possible, so thanks to them. And all of these products will be linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.